Today we are going to do a very interesting activity, and the name for the activity is winemaking. My name is Raghav, my co-team member Rudraksh and Vyo, and the name for our winemaking team is Rayan Cellars. The grapes that we are going to use in our wine is Indian black grapes. Flavor profile of the wine is a little bit sweet, dense wine with a hint of grapefruit in it.
So he is Manav and he is Mayank, and we are making rosé wine, which is derived from the rosé word, comes from the color of roses, which is the light pink, which is different from the red wine as due to its color. And the California comes from the Californian grapes, which we are going to use in our winemaking.
My name is Prasan. These are my partners Chirag and Lakshya. Today we are making white wine. Our wine name is Twin Oak Cellar, which will have a mild flavor.
In the first process, we went to the INN market, which was the difficult part.
2 kg. We are used our Indian noir grapes or Indian red grapes. For this grapes, we have to go a lot of things, like we have visited different markets, different farmers, but we are unable to get any good sort of grape. So Rudraksh, which grapes we are going to use to make our wine?
Basically, the black grapes we are using. Uncle, red can do?
हमारी वाइन का नाम ट्विन ऑक सेलर है. इसमें हमने ग्रीन ग्रेप्स यूज़ करे हैं, कैलिफोर्नियन ग्रीन ग्रेप्स.
So this is best for our white wine?
Good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn the process of making wine. Okay, yesterday we went to the market. The objective is to prepare red wine using 2 kg grape. As we are making 3 different type of wine, so grapes will vary according to that. We need a large vessel, so we have taken a 5 kg of container in which we will keep our wine. We will use crusher. So for crusher we will use a muddler. Last is bottles and corks, and the last is sanitizer. So whatever you are using, first we will sanitize it.
Then we have done the destocking process, segregation to separate the odd one. Then we have done the washing part. And then we have muddled them. Also we have used our hands to crush them properly. Then we have put them in the glass jar, which was sanitized from the wine sanitizer. We added the yeast, sugar to level the sugar level.
Now we will be adding flavors to our wines, for which we are using cinnamon and star anise, because we are making a red wine with black Indian noir grape. So this will give it a very dense and good flavor. So we are just adding 3 to 4 picks of this.
Then it was being stored in a cool, dry and out of sunlight weeks for approximately 28 to 30 days for the fermentation process to take place.
Now we have done the first step. Now we will keep it in a dark place. This is the last step where we will keep our wine on at least a week to see the improvements. Okay, and the place should be dark, so that's why we are keeping it in. Okay, just keep it. Okay.
And on the daily basis during that time period, we had stir the wine so that the sediment that are on the top of the wine layer that settle down. Then we have labeled the wine.
Nice, yeah. I catch you one.
Thank you.
Raven Silar.
Raven.
Yeah, first explain the
Why
name.
this name you have
So,
chosen?
sir, we have chosen the Raven name since it's our initials Rudraksh, Raghav and Vyom.
Okay, so you have used star anise and
And
other
cinnamon to
stuff.
give flavor.
Okay.
So grapes we have used are Indian noir grapes since we are looking for the Bengaluru blue grapes or the Muscat Hamburg grape. But unfortunately, we didn't find the variety that we are looking for. It's
Okay.
between dry and sweet.
Dry and sweet.
Yeah, it's between them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it will be more on the spicy side. As I told you,
Yeah, I taste at the
it has more spicy.
Spicy nature.
As I told you.
Yes, sir.
Because if you were at star anise, it will give you more spiciness. But yes, color-wise, because you have used Californian grapes, that's why the color is like
Light.
this.
Light, yes, sir.
Absolutely. Because see, the grapes which you use for winemaking, you can't eat that. That will be more acidic. But it's good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you guys. I really like it.
Yes.
Twin Oak Cellars. So tell me about your wines.
It's a sweet wine. We use green Californian grapes. Sir, it's contained 12% alcohol.
So you have measured that? Or just guessing?
No, sir, we measured it.
We measure it with a scale, those scales.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, please taste your wine.
ये सब में ईस्ट एक ही यूज किया हुआ है?
Mr. Brad?
मुझे ड्राइनेस बहुत अच्छी लगी एज कम्पेयर टू प्रीवियस वाइन्स विच आई हैव टेस्टेड टू बिफोर. इसकी ड्राइनेस सबसे ज़्यादा बेटर है. धुआं निकल रहा है, मतलब ये ओपन भी नहीं हुई बहुत टाइम से. How much gap you have given within like each filtration?
It's each filtration. After the filtration, we have given to 8 to 10 days.
So what do you think about your wines?
How's the taste?
It's great.
Sweetness is balanced,
Yeah.
not too much. For me, it's good. But in red, I really like the second one about their branding and everything. Thank you, guys. It is an awesome experience. Even after having this 10 years in the industry, I've been to many colleges, but I have never seen like people are producing wines on their own and their labeling is so good. I have tasted once. People are taking initiative as a students. They are making a good process how to make wine. They are learning new things, which I appreciate a lot. The labeling part, which I liked a lot, they always mark that we are from KR Mangalam. That is so super good. Labeling, if you'll talk about the Maharani, I really like that one. The labeling is so good. There is a thought process that they have defined why they have put it like this, Maharani with a glass of rosé, and the wine tasted so well balanced in everything. It's a tough one, but I really like the rosé Maharani, right? Because that specific one is more well balanced. That is more dryny because my palate is which I can't take it more dryness on my palate. So I really like the rosé wine which is well balanced with the dryness and the sediments is not there. The color is little bit light because they have used Californian grapes. They must have used something else also, but it is good.
तो जब हम वाइन्स बना रहे थे तो आई वॉज विद द स्टूडेंट बिकॉज दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दे वर मेकिंग वाइन्स, तो मैं उनके साथ था. I helped them in some processes, but all the research was done by students and it was a fabulous job by them. For me, everyone was great at their levels. अगर मैं वाइन्स के बारे में बात करूँ, सबने अलग अलग तरीके की वाइन बनाई है, तो I cannot discriminate कि किसने अच्छी बनाई है किसने बेकार. Everyone has their own taste. Like we know, red wines should be like full body. It was a full body wine. One was a half body wine. Apart from that, when we are talking about it, it is very important कि color of the wine की कैसा है. तो wine का color बहुत अच्छा था. तो for me, everyone is a winner.